What's up, stackers? So this video is part 5 in a mini series, like a free course that I have put together on how to start making money with fan pages. Now if you haven't seen the previous videos, then I'll link the first one right there in the right hand corner, and I suggest you going through and watching from the beginning. Also, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I bring out videos on how you can start making money right here online. So go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Now this video is all about monetizing your following. So I'm going to show you places you can go, networks you can use to start monetizing your following. I'm going to show you some examples of how you can do this, how you can set this up on your fan pages. And if you stick around to the end of the video, you're finally going to know how to set up, how to build these fan pages up and build your following for super cheap using my viral video ad method. I'll be giving this away for free. Now, let's get into the video. So, one of the best ways to monetize your following once you've started to grow your audience is through Amazon Associates. Now, I say that this is one of the best methods because no matter what your niche is, you can always find products over on Amazon that you can sell. Now, I'm just going to use my Big Bang Theory page for an example, but if we go over to photos, you're going to be able to see how much Amazon stuff I was trying to sell on this page. So if we just scroll down, you're going to see the photos. And as you can see, just here, just here, just here, just here. This is one of the best ways you can do this. So how do we do this? Well, first you have to become an associate for Amazon or an Amazon affiliate, which is actually a lot easier than you think. Now, if you haven't got an Amazon Associates account, when you sign up, they do want you to put in a website. But if you've got a lot of content and already are gaining followers on your fan page, then you can use your fan page as your website to sign up for Amazon Associates. So it's really, really easy. Then once you want to promote something which is on Amazon, just type in what you are looking for. In this case, I've just put the Big Bang Theory keyring, but I'm actually going to change this. We're going to use the Husky page that I created in this little mini series. So I'm just going to put in Husky. Let's just put in Husky and see what comes up. So looking through, maybe the Husky socks. So let's scroll back up. Husky socks. Scroll down. So straight away we can see that this is actually quite a good product. It has 19 reviews. This has 45. Women's super soft cute cartoon animal. Blah blah blah. Are they Huskies? I think they are. So what I would do is just click that. Then I would find the best image. So let's just stay with this one. I would save that image, and then we're going to use Canva. So save, go over to Canva. This is just a standard Facebook post. So I would go to Uploads, upload it to Canva, so like that. I would also get buy on Amazon. I'd get a logo, a little PNG, maybe this one. Just save that as well. Like that. Close that tab. Upload this as well. Then I would add this image. I'm not going to do anything fancy. I just want it looking clean and fresh. So just enlarge that a little bit. Maybe move it over. Use the available on Amazon. Move that down a little bit, put that in the corner, keep that like that, and then I would just download this image. Just close that, close that. Now go back over to the Husky page, then I will just upload this as a usual image, or a normal image. So photo, upload, find the image just here. Then I would put something like, oh my god, who else, no, not wants, needs these Husky socks? Question mark. Remember, always ask a question. Then I'd go back over to where it was on Amazon, scroll up, go here to text, then it's going to pull up the link that I need. This is my affiliate link, which is associated to me, so if anyone goes through this link and buy these socks or anything else on Amazon, then I would make a commission. Put get yours here, and then that's it. Now remember, in a previous video where I showed you how to schedule this, you can use Facebook or you can actually use software, but you can schedule out one of these, two of these a day to go out for a whole week. So this can be passive, remember, but you also want to provide that value. So you've got your videos going out, you've got your images going out of Huskies or whatever your niche is, and now you've also got affiliate links for products over on Amazon going out every single day as well. So remember, to schedule this, you would just go to here, schedule, and then schedule it out. For this instance, I'm just going to push publish so you can see what this looks like. So as you can see here, pretty simple. Husky socks, link just here. Oh my god, who else needs these socks? So we got a question. So that's how you would schedule out or make your posts for Amazon products. Pretty simple. So this is just one way that you can monetize your following. The next way is POD, print on demand. Now if you're liking this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and go and hit subscribe as well, and also leave a comment down below telling me if you liked this, if you didn't like it, or if you just want to see more awesome content just like this. Anyway, print on demand. Now I was selling a lot of print on demand items on one of my bigger pages in the weed niche, so I'm going to show you a few examples of this. So if we head over to my weed page, you can see that this actually has 181,000 followers, and with the method that I'm going to show you how to build these pages up running viral video ads, this is how I did that with this page. And my biggest viral video, if we scroll down to here, again, as you can see, this is a link to a print on demand t-shirt. If we scroll down, I've had 13 million views on this video, and that was mainly from running viral video ads. Okay, so let's go and have a look at my images on here so you can see the types of products that I was selling on this page, because this is a different niche, weed niche, and I mainly only sold print on demand. Now if we scroll down here, you can see just here my t-shirts that I was selling. Now I actually created these myself. Let's take a look at this one. So I created this myself. It was actually really easy to create, but if you don't want to create print on demand items, then you don't actually have to. You can just become an affiliate and sell other people's t-shirts, and I'm going to show you where you can do that in a minute. But as you can see, I put, oh my god, I need this, a few emojis, grab yours here, and this went straight to this t-shirt. Now this image I created in Canva as well, which was really simple to do. Let's take another look at a different one. So if we look just here, I hit more trees than a blind Tarzan. This was a good t-shirt, again, created myself, wasn't even that hard to do. And I put, hit more trees than Tarzan, haha. Was that a laughing emoji? Grab yours here, or get yours here. And that was the link to this t-shirt. So where can you find t-shirts to promote if you don't want to make them yourself? Well, you can use Sunfrog, sunfrog.com. So what I'll do, I'll leave a link to this, to the affiliate program, right in the description so you can go through and check it out. But with Sunfrog, you can become an affiliate and promote any t-shirt or any product on their site and make commissions in the process. So here on the front page of Sunfrog, we go to here, we go to all, we can see all the different categories that there's products in, and you can sell those products and make commissions. This is why I like Amazon and Sunfrog, because you can literally find products in any niche. This is why they're my top 2 recommended platforms to use for monetizing your following. Now, this isn't a tutorial on how to use Sunfrog. If you want a more in-depth tutorial, then leave a comment down below letting me know, and I'll do another video on that. So these are my top 2 ways to make money to start monetizing your following with your fan page. Now, obviously, you can use ClickBank as well. Now, with ClickBank, obviously, they sell digital products, and you can sell digital products to your following. They do have a huge marketplace. They do have multiple niches within this marketplace. So, depending on the niche that you've made your following in, you might be able to find a product on here which is actually a good fit to your audience. Now, with the Husky page, you're more than likely not going to find something on ClickBank unless it's like a puppy training course or something like that. But it's very unlikely to find a Husky product here on ClickBank to sell to a Husky audience. This audience is better suited to Amazon and Sunfrog products. But let's say you've built an audience or you're building a following in the woodwork niche, then yes, you will find a product on ClickBank that you can recommend to your following and make commissions on. Again, it all comes down to the niche that you've gone for. Now, once you've actually started growing your following, I'm going to go into more depth in that in a minute, but once you've started building your following, you can then start to build out a website, you can start to build out an email list. There's so many different ways to monetize your following once you've started to grow this. But to begin with, your best bet is Amazon and POD, print on demand. So how do we actually start building this following? Well, like I said in a previous module or previous video, we're going to use viral video ads. So this is why when you put content on your page, you need 3 to 5 videos. Remember what I said in a previous video? They want to be viral video ads. Ads or videos that you wouldn't know who to give credit to if you had to, and then there's no obvious branding on that video. So with this one just here, you wouldn't know who to give credit to because it's unbranded and just a generic viral video. So you need 3 to 5 videos that you can start to run ads on and to test so you can find your winners. So let's just pop over to my ads manager. Now I'm going to show you a few campaigns that I've run in the past, a couple that I'm actually running right now, so I can show you that I do know what the hell I'm on about when it comes to running these viral video ads and getting really cheap engagement. So these are 2 that I'm actually running right this second, and as you can see, my cost per engagement is 0.003. Okay, Think about that, how cheap that is for my engagement or cost per engagement. So I've had over 1,521 engagements on this campaign. They're only costing me 0.003. It's actually a little bit cheaper, and I'll show you that in a minute. And I've only spent under $5 to get over 1,500 engagements. Now, I'm actually testing these at the minute. I'm trying to get them cheaper. But if we scroll down through my ads manager, you can see how cheap that I have had engagements as well. So look how cheap this one is. 0.0005. So that was 5,267 engagements, and it only cost me $2.46. Pretty cheap, right? And if we scroll down, it's pretty much the same through my ads manager, because that's all I basically do is run these viral video ads, because they're really, really effective. And the byproduct of actually running these viral video ads is that your page grows and you get likes in the process. Now, if you want to learn how to run these viral video ads for your fan page, well, I'm not going to be giving this away for free on YouTube. Okay, I'm not putting this training on YouTube. This specific training, this part of this little mini course, is going in the Stackers Inner Circle. Now, it's completely free to join. It doesn't cost you anything. But if you want to learn how to run viral video ads for your fan pages, then come and join Stackers Inner Circle, because this is where the training is going to be going for this part of the course. Now, that is it. The course is done. This little free mini series is complete. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're taking action on each video, and I hope that you're going to do this and start making a killing. Now, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.